How to send your affiliates their links. In this article, you will learn how to send affiliate links to your affiliates so that they can promote your products. You will need a Systeme.io account, a sales funnel. In Systeme.io, affiliate links have the following structure: https://your page link. SA equals affiliate. To learn how to set up your affiliate program with Systeme.io, read this article. Each contact will need to share a particular link to your page so that they can promote your offer and earn commissions on each sale. There are two ways to share your affiliate links. 1. Publishing your offer on the marketplace. To know the full and detailed procedure to do this, we invite you to read the article about it by clicking here. Point 2. Send your affiliate links to your affiliates. To share your affiliate link automatically, use the affiliate_ID variable in your email. This will generate the affiliate ID of each contact. Example: Aurelian wants to send an affiliate link to each of his affiliates, so they can promote Systeme.io. The offer link, https://systeme.io/ what to put in the email, https://systeme.io/?SA =left brace affiliate_ID right brace. This way, each affiliate will automatically receive their own affiliate link to promote Systeme.io. Important: in order for your affiliates to keep track of the number of contacts and sales they have made, they need to have access to their affiliate dashboards. Point 2.1 How to send the affiliate ID and affiliate dashboard link to your affiliates. Step 1. Create a special squeeze page for your affiliate program, where you will set up a field to catch email addresses. How to create a squeeze page or a pop-up. Important: with Systeme.io, an affiliate ID is generated automatically for every contact on your email list, so they'll be able to promote your affiliate program. However, we recommend that you create a specific squeeze page so that your affiliates can subscribe to your affiliate program and get a special tag, affiliate. That way, you'll be able to recognize them and communicate with them. Step 2. Create an automation rule that allows you to send emails to each affiliate, and click on the pencil icon in order to modify that email. Step 3. You can include the following variables in your email: the affiliate_ID, a variable to send each subscriber their affiliate ID, the affiliate_dashboard, a variable to give them access to their affiliate dashboard. You can also include an affiliate link in your email to one or several of your offers, following this structure: https://your page link, SA equals affiliate_ID. Final notes: links to share sales funnels are affiliate links. Click here to find out how to share a sales funnel. The tracking works with all pages created with Systeme.io, including all pages on which you added a form created with Systeme.io, like your website or blog.